What's going on? So today we got a video from police activity, and the title of the video is Pueblo? I don't know. Pueblo officers catch biker after reckless street stunts. So let's get into the video. Let's see what they talking about here. Now, come on now. Before we even get started, what would happen if I didn't have my seatbelt on driving and the cop drove past? He could give you a seatbelt ticket, right? This is the same thing here. Why do we hear ding, 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 ding? Come on, man. Damn.
I might get outside this one really quick.
You want to with this one? Ready?
Hold on. This is not yet.
Oh, it's got a plate under there.
They bugging right in front of the cops. It's just kids being kids, but not right in front of the cops, man.
That's reckless shooting, right?
Yep. Definitely without due regard.
We're going to get back to the video in just 1 second, but first I want to tell you that my YouTube mentorship program is now open. That means I'm going to help you grow your YouTube channel from zero to monetization. That means that you will be able to start earning money on YouTube, whether you want to do this full-time or you want to do it part-time just to have a little side money. Who doesn't like side money? I don't know who. It comes with a course, private access to me to ask me any questions or anything like that you need, and a bunch of different other stuff. Click the link in the description and sign up today. It's only $30. That's $1 a day. Back to the video.
I was thinking this one, it might be easier to grab him off this bike. We going for this one?
Yep.
Okay.
It's now or never.
Yeah, let's do it. Ready? Ready?
Yep.
Oh, boy got out of there. Yo, why they only wait. Hold on. Why did they only go after the one? Why they only went after one? Hold on. Maybe I'm missing something here. Am I missing something? They only went after the one kid. Why?
Ready? Okay.
Yep. You know obviously why you got in handcuffs, my man. I got a whole dash cam of you doing stupid stuff, driving on the road, endangering everybody. You're probably gonna have to go around because we're gonna.
I just called that in.
We're gonna get one. So, you see how happy everybody was?
You got me. Good work. I'm sorry.
Everybody's happy.
Like that from all the way down.
Who's that? His buddies?
Yeah, way down. They were way down past Prairie, back up, way down. The whole time.
Well, we got one of them. I got to see if we're going to tow your bike and put a hold on it for a nuisance.
Oh no, please don't.
The last time we dealt with these, they put a hold on them, which means it gets put in storage. You pay the tow fees and all that.
Every day?
Yeah, for 6 months.
No, dude, don't do this. Look, it's a mini bike. I hardly ever ride that thing.
It's almost like you should have been doing wheelies down.
Exactly.
Doing wheelies, standing up on the seat. I mean, I got a whole dash cam down Northern
I agree.
of you, the blue dirt bike, the other guy.
I shouldn't have done that, sir. I'm sorry.
We're not trying to make your life harder, man, but it is a big nuisance and a danger to
I agree.
other people on the street, man. Several people get killed on motorcycles every year.
You know, honestly, that's a good point. That's a good point. Like, I mean, some people are gonna look at this and be like, "Oh, good job. You caught somebody on a motorcycle. Bravo." You know, some people are gonna look at it like that, but then others will look at it as like you're putting your life at risk and others, you know, because even if you're doing one of these stunts, like let's say a car is behind you, right? You're doing one of these stunts and then, you know, maybe they're driving a little bit too close or whatever and you fall and then you get ran over. You know, little things like that or something, you know, and that's not out of the realm of possibility. That is a real thing that can really happen. Like, you know, do everybody follow the distance that you need to behind cars and motorcycles? No. You know, or maybe if they're, you know, getting away with little things, then they'll start weeding in and out of traffic and straddling the line and all this other stuff. You know, like me personally, I'm not a motorcycle guy. You know, that's never really been my thing. Motorcycles, dirt bikes, all that stuff. Nah, if that thing ain't got 4 wheels on it, I'm good. You know, I'll mess with a 4-wheeler, but motorcycle, no. Too dangerous. It's the risk isn't worth the reward. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, you could go a little fast, you know, whatever, you know, look cool or whatever, but nah, you fall on one of those things or if somebody hits you, you're jacked up. You have zero protection. You know, at least in a car, you got a little bit of protection, but on a motorcycle, you have none, man. None. So, you know, if they're in the country, nobody's stopping them. But since they're in the city riding it like that, nah, it's not gonna work.
Like the other guy.
I shouldn't have done that, sir. I'm sorry.
We're not trying to make your life harder, man, but it is a big nuisance and a danger to
I agree.
other people on the street, man. Several people get killed on motorcycles every year.
Very true. Okay. Yeah. I mean, I think the officers did okay. I don't see the reason why they only went after one. They could have, it's 2 officers. They could have got 2 of them, you know, because they're kids, you know what I mean? They're young. They look young, you know? So they could have caught 2 of them, 2 out of the 3 instead of just the one. I don't know why they both just went after one guy when they were all doing flips and tricks and doing whatever, the wheelies, and they were all having a good time, but you know, maybe he just took it a little bit too far. So I give them like a 2. I give them like a 2. You know what I mean? Because, they could have caught 2 of them instead of just 1, but whatever.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.